night and watch hentai all the time with my soul is tormented by a succubus. Call assist, pencil dripping from the way I spit. Fell in love.
Yo, what is up, everybody? So I got the new package here, as you can see, and let's unbox this. So I did remove the address, or I'm not gonna show you guys the address anyways, so it won't matter. Let's open this. Now, I was already expecting this like a couple minutes ago, but I thought it was gonna be opening today, or I thought it was gonna be tomorrow or today. Well, apparently it was today. I was expecting it like tomorrow at least, but you know what? That's fine by me. Jesus Christ, man. What in the world? Alright. You know what? I hope I don't like, you know, mess up the packaging, but jeez, man. What is this? More packaging right here? Like, what is this, bubble wrap? What bubble wrap, man? What the hell? So you guys can't see it yet because it's really hard to get this open. Like, bruh. How in the... Oh, there we go. So... God damn it. This package is so stupid. So much bubble wrap. So if you guys can't see it yet, it's not obvious. It's not already obvious, so... But now, it's obvious. So... This right here. As you can see... So, yeah. I ordered these keycaps. Let's unbox this, shall we? Or does it like just slide out? Nope, the answer is it does not slide out. You can actually like... I'm gonna remove it from this side right here. Oh boy. Oh gosh. Oh, what the fudge? What in the... Okay, so you guys can't see it right now. Oh god, some of these like got messed up. But, you know, whatever. I'm gonna put my mouse here. I'm gonna put the thing right here. So... Yeah. If you guys are already looking at this, it is exactly what you're thinking. Yeah, so I hang out keycaps. Now, I will say, you will not be able to put this on your keyboard, by the way, because it's literally, you can't even tell which like key is which anymore, because like, you know, as of most things, there's supposed to be like WASD, blah 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 blah. Like there's supposed to be like the text. But since these keycaps right here don't have any text, there's no point to it. So, as you can see right here on top of my thing, you will see that this is the keyboard I have. Let me lower the brightness so you guys can see it. This is the keyboard I have currently. It's white. Well, not that situation, okay? So I will put this right here on the top. Actually, I can't even put it on the top. Oh gosh. It's like styro. Oh, what the fudge? Oh, what? Oh, so that's like the thing. Oh. So that's interesting. Do not buy these keycaps, by the way. I just bought these because they... Sorry. I bought these keycaps because I'm You know, there's no point in saying it. I just bought it because I want to. So yeah, that's great. Don't judge me, okay? I'm remove the keyboard from my laptop currently. Sorry if I move the camera. I always move the camera, don't worry. So if you guys hear the keyboard nice. That's it, right? There's also O-rings. If you guys can see it. There's O-rings in there. But you can't see it because they're transparent, so. Yeah. I'm gonna replace these with these keycaps right here. Oh no. Hold on, be right back. I'm back, and as you can see, this is the arrow key, as you can see. And this is the new keycap I bought. Yeah. So no, I'm not gonna put O-rings for it because I am too lazy to put O-rings for it. It's gonna sound the worst. This is gonna look absolutely ridiculous. If you guys want to have this kind of keycap or like type of keyboard, be my guest. I might link it in the description. Maybe, maybe not, but you know, some of these are really hard to put in properly. Unless you do it wrong or something. A lot of guys might get mad at me doing this, so maybe if you can actually see it, probably not. Oh yeah, that's a bad angle. You know what, let's just do it right here. There you guys go. This is gonna be pain. Because some of you guys might not be able to see it because of what I'm doing, but oh boy. Oh boy. That's not good, boys. That is not good. So a lot of you guys might actually ask that as well. It's no problem, at least. I believe so. We're gonna switch out the space bar for this. Oh gosh. I don't want to break the key myself, so my keyboard might be a little bit dusty, but you know, it's fine. I don't know if I'm gonna be still using this keyboard though, that's the thing. I might not use it anymore, but as you can see right there, if you can see, I did put O-rings in the thing. So yeah. Here's the space bar. Oh no. So great. So yeah, this is gonna be great. A lot of you guys might get mad at me for changing out these type of for doing this type of keyboard, but let's be honest, considering my channel is like this, it's bound to happen. Like, let's be real right now, it's bound to happen.
I can barely breathe. I am underwater, trying hard to see where to go. I do not know where to go. I'm in love and it is hard to let this go. And every time I want to confess to you how it feels to be so mad in love with someone who every time I want to confess to you how it feels to be so mad in love with someone who doesn't know, with someone who does. You can't escape once I chosen you. Once I
I evolved, now they call me the king. One of the greatest ever saw in the ring. Ooh, I push up every mile, in the fall I sit up. All my strength pull me up, that's the law to get gains. I got ripped right apart, I was down, wasn't up. I was cut, I was jacked, I was all swole up. This life a workout. I felt the pain, oh I was hurt, but I always get back up and I just work it out, work it out. All my problems, work it out. All regrets, I work it out. All my stress, I work it out, work it out, work it out. Every day I'm working out, working out, working out. Every day I'm working out.
Working what you lack, take a L, take a loss. Now you know we can't do that. They be talking like they knowin' all the things that I gone through. Well, let me tell y'all one thing that I'm on to. To everyone who doubted me, I'm proud of me. I'm working like they draft me in the lottery. Back when they said I wouldn't be nothing, I knew I gotta be. There's only one, it's not a lot of me. I know that I heard right. If I put in that work right, everything gon' change up. That's why I deserve right. Damn. You know when you losing and ain't nobody round, don't forget to put all the work in and you gon' hold it down.
I just work it out, work it out. All my problems, work it out. All regrets, I work it out. All my stress, I work it out, work it out, work it out. Every day I'm working out, working out, working out. Every day I'm working out.
As you can see, wait, hold on. As you guys can see right now, this is the new keyboard I have. Sorry if the angle's a little bit different, but you know, whatever. There it is. So, if you want to know where I got this, I will link it in the description. If I remember, I will put it in the description. But if I don't, blame past me because I forgot. or blame future me. Sorry, future me. Blame future me if I forget. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'm sorry, I'm just laughing because now I have this keyboard right here. Alright, see you guys.